Sleeping on the cold ground is terrible, and cheap air mattresses always seem to go flat by 3 a.m. If you want a genuinely good night's sleep while camping, you need to get off the floor with a cot. But a lot of them are wobbly and uncomfortable. I bought the 5 most popular tent cots out there and actually slept on them to figure out which ones are solid and which ones are just shaky junk. Product number 1, Ever Advanced Extra Wide Camping Cot. First up, I grabbed this Ever Advanced XXL, and man, this thing is an absolute beast. Pulling it out of the bag, you can immediately feel the weight of that reinforced steel frame. It takes a minute to set up because you have to stiff-arm these 2-end tension rods into place, which was a bit of a workout. But once it's put together, it is rock solid. The main selling point here is the size. It is huge. At over 41 inches wide, I could roll around without my shoulders constantly hitting the side bars, which is usually my biggest complaint with cots. It supports up to 550 pounds, and it honestly feels like it could handle even more. If you're a bigger person or just want tons of room to sprawl out, this is the one you want. Product number 2, 2-pack camping cot with mattress. If you're buying for a couple or need beds for the kids, this 2-pack option is a pretty smart move. Opening the box, it's nice that you get everything you need right away: 2 frames and 2 matching mattresses. The frames use these square steel tubes and felt surprisingly rigid when I sat down. They are rated to hold 450 pounds, and it felt stable even when I sat on the edge to put my shoes on. The included mattress pad isn't incredibly thick, but it definitely takes the edge off the taut fabric underneath so you don't wake up stiff. I also like that the pad is removable. I took it off during a hot afternoon nap for better airflow. It's a solid, convenient choice if you need a quick, complete setup for 2 people, without buying everything separately. Product number 3, Sportneer Camping Cot. When I tested the Sportneer cot, the first thing I noticed was the fabric quality. It uses this double-layer 1200D Oxford material that feels really thick and durable, not thin like some cheaper cots I've tried. The best part about this one, though, is the setup speed. It literally just unfolds in seconds right out of the bag, no loose poles or difficult tension bars to fight within the dark. It also comes with a removable mattress pad that adds warmth for cooler nights. I found the storage design really practical, too. Having large pockets on both asterisk sides meant I didn't have to fumble around for my water bottle or phone. It supports 450 pounds easily. This is the right pick if you want something durable that sets up instantly so you can relax sooner. Product number 4, Aliexpress Folding Camping Cot. Focus on portability. Picking up this Aliexpress cot, I was surprised by how light it felt compared to the heavy-duty ones I just tested. At only about 11.5 pounds, it's way easier to lug from the car to the tent site. Despite being lightweight, that square tube frame didn't feel flimsy when I laid down fully. It's rated for over 400 pounds, which is impressive for its size. It has this slight ergonomic shape to it that felt a bit more supportive on my back than a totally flat cot, and the little detachable pillow is a nice bonus for neck support. It folds up into a really reasonably compact size that doesn't hog trunk space. If you need something that is easy to carry but still offers a strong, supportive place to sleep, this is a great option to look at. Product number 5, Aliexpress Folding Camping Cot with Mattress. Focus on comfort. I also spent time with this version from Aliexpress that comes equipped with its own mattress pad. Just like the previous one, the frame uses high-strength steel tubes that give it a very stable feel, even when shifting around at night. The real difference maker here for me was that included mattress. It really bridges the gap between sleeping on a basic cot and an actual bed. I slept much sounder on this because I wasn't feeling the tension of the fabric directly underneath me. It features a tri-fold storage design which makes it fold down incredibly flat, sliding easily under other gear in the car. This is the one I'd lean towards if your main priority is getting maximum comfort in a package that is still easy to store away when you get home. So whether you need massive width for comfort, a convenient 2-pack deal, or something that sets up instantly, one of these should fit your camping style. I've dropped links to all 5 down in the description below so you can check the current prices and see what other people are saying. Thanks for watching and happy camping.